U Menteri Katanat I Kampo Ing Kajela Obat Lakaman Rumbui. Ulaong baka Anti-Narcotic Task Force ANTF jong Katanat Pulit Kajela kapersangkat balak bantek lakam yaki kam khayidrok hapo Kajela. Katkum kajingit hu kajong u. Katanat Pulit Kajela katray borba bantek lakam yaki jing sniu jong udrong. Kumbalong lem ha Asam. U Menteri ulaong ru baka ANTF kalakem yabun ngut kibriu bat kurup ru yabun ba udrok nakapor syakapor.
We from Meghalaya also, we are taking all the issue aggressively, not only Assam, not only the state, in fact, the country as a whole. We know that the menace of drug, if it is there, we have to eradicate it. So all the states in the country are joined hand together to see that this drug abuse could be curtailed or could be wiped out.